Today is Tuesday, it's 15th of November. Should give us about 50 days left on P4, i.e. Guatemala. Yeah, hey. So we are out of the most dangerous country in the world, entering into the third most country in the world. I assume El Salvador is number 2. Maybe Nicaragua number 3. I also don't know. I think I will put this as number 3, although I haven't seen it yet. It's just from what I've been reading. Do not go to Guatemala City. They have one zone that is completely out of the police control, right, in drug and gang control.
Where is it?
Zone, I don't know, zone 4 or something like that. And a few no-go zone. So I'm not going near there. I see a few tourists also completely avoid. Alright, ciao. You know you're at the border when you start seeing trucks. 300 meters away. 1 minute, 500 meters from the border. Did we go here or go there? I think yeah. Okay, got it. Now it's 11:26. We just finished everything, and there's a whole piled up behind.
Welcome to Guatemala.
Welcome to Guatemala, country number 5
of Central America.
of Central America. We've done very well. Pat on the back.
Yes, yes.
Pat on the back.
Yes, yeah.
My super driver of the century. And we met an Israeli company driving almost the same car, registered in Vermont. Vermont plate is now the in Topaz. We're in Guatemala. It was a long processing time at the aduana, but
Guatemala aduana.
yeah, but we got there in the end, so it was good. And we had to specifically ask for the exit stamp for our kid from the aduana, otherwise we get nothing. This is Guatemala Road. Oh wow, so far so good. When we enter Honduras, the road was bad.
When we entered, Nika was good. Remember? Right after someone.
Yeah. So first time in 5 months, we're going to wash the car. Well, no, second time. The first time wasn't washed properly anyway, because halfway there was no water. So this is the first time wash 5 months. Camila having a good clean. Just getting a good scrub. So after soap wash again and again, and now we grease the tire, and for the first time I see the tire shine like it never shined before. Alright, this is the gas station. Look at that guy bringing a people on a tuk-tuk. It's Estación Toria, oh whatever. And car wash, perfect. Very good people. Traditional Guatemalan music. Oh, really? In the last few countries. Repeat and repeat. This one is more traditional.
so far. Seriously, the best in all of the Central America, including Panama. So far, it's good, super good.
Yeah, but we heard of bad roads, so
Yeah.
we'll see.
So is it more good, less bad, or more good and more bad? Alright.
Ciao for now. This is CA10, a main road.
This is the campsite that we're at. It's really nice. We are in Antigua at the moment. Guatemala.
I don't think it looks nice on me.
Why not? For it. But you always like to wear my things and it becomes nice. Okay, you can walk towards it.
We need to go up first, no? I
You
need
go
to
up.
stop the thing for you to go up. I need to stop the thing. I also don't know how to go up.
Is it moving? Moving?
Yeah,
Look at this thing. It's like a swing and it goes all the way up the tree. Okay, you can get down if you want. Wow, quite graceful eh.
Hey, let's go see helicopter.
Now we go see. I didn't see the boat, the jet. And there's a helicopter there. I'm not too sure. I think that's new. Huh?
See the ruins?
Oh yeah. There's so many ruins here. Wow.
Huh? Got people. Got people inside, sorry. I didn't see anything. I didn't know got people inside.
Is it? This should say it's occupied.
Yeah, they can see me. I can't see them.
No lah, they hear us.
Huh?
Maybe they heard us.
You think?
Yeah.
What?
How was your experience seeing the helicopter? Eruption on a volcano, wow.
So, this is the center of Antigua, and our campsite is just there. Just cross the road right next to the building, and here at night time they sell a lot of street food. There are a lot of churches, and we're gonna walk to the tourist office. Let's go there, Wiki. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Look at the bus, so beautiful. Everybody's in happy mood. Yeah.
I can buy cheap hats here.
Huh?
I wonder how cheap they are. 180. How much? place. Oh wow, my god. Wow, really floating.
Okay, what are you eating?
Empanada. Argentina empanada fancy. And it's oven baked. Look like this. Oh yeah.
It's hot from the oven. How does it taste?
Like pizza.
Tastes like pizza.
That pizza crust. Nice.
Okay, buen provecho. Pupusa, this is how you made it.
Sí, sí.
¿Quieres la porción fácil? Va, ¿y este?
Tortilla.
Esos son chiles. Ahorita. Mira que solo como pancha.
Life is a winding road,